Thousands of undocumented immigrant children now face an even more uncertain future since the Trump administration cut off a program that provides them with legal aid. Our Rod McMillan has more on what the impact might be.
More than 25,000 undocumented immigrant children in the country alone, without parents or guardians, now facing the possibility that they'll be dealing with their immigration hearings alone, without any legal representation. This after the Trump administration sent out a stop work order to the Acacia Center for Justice, ordering the group as well as all their subcontractors to stop work on a $200 million contract meant to aid unaccompanied children with their immigration proceedings.
This is brazen cruelty against the most vulnerable, children as young as toddlers, teenagers fleeing violence.
A group of attorneys held a virtual news conference on Wednesday about their concerns.
Imagine small kids, some so little their feet don't touch the floor while they look up at a judge, trying to understand immigration law.
Eyewitness News has obtained a copy of the stop work order issued by the Department of the Interior. Gerson Navidad came to the country when he was 16 years old. Initially, he had no representation.
I felt like I was already criminalized, even though I was just a kid. The government didn't realize that I was fleeing because I was being persecuted by a gang. And it wasn't until I met with a lawyer that I was able to share this part of my story.
Another immigration attorney said she has a client who's only 2 years old with a hearing coming up tomorrow.
What is this 2-year-old client supposed to do without her attorney? Who will speak for her in court?
This is obviously unacceptable. And this is, to my mind, the most significant attack on immigrant children since family separation.
We reached out to the Department of the Interior for comment. They requested that we reach out to the Department of Health and Human Services instead, and we're still awaiting a response.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.